Welcome back, fellow gardeners. Today's video is a must-watch if you're wondering what plants will thrive in Zone 7 this April. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, stick around because we're about to dive into some exciting options that'll make your garden burst with life this spring. Hey there. Before we jump into the juicy details, let's quickly chat about Zone 7. It's crucial to know your zone because it helps you pick the perfect plants for your area. In Zone 7, April offers moderate temps and plenty of sunshine, a recipe for success in the garden. All right, let's talk veggies. In early April, it's prime time to sow cool season superstars like crisp lettuce, vibrant spinach, and nutrient-packed kale. These beauties love the mild spring weather and will be ready for your salads in no time. Who doesn't love a pop of color? This month, plant annual flowers such as cheerful marigolds, fragrant petunias, and whimsical snapdragons. They'll bring joy to your garden and attract buzzing bees and fluttering butterflies. Calling all herb enthusiasts, April is perfect for planting herbs like fresh parsley, zesty cilantro, and flavorful chives. Imagine stepping outside to snip these aromatic herbs for your cooking delicious. Looking ahead to summer, start your tomato, pepper, and eggplant seeds indoors this month. Get them going now, and you'll be rewarded with a bounty of homegrown goodness later in the season. Before you grab your gardening gloves, here are a few insider tips. Prep your soil with compost for happy, healthy plants. Keep an eye on the weather forecast and protect tender seedlings from any late frosts. Water regularly to help your plants establish strong roots and thrive. And that's a wrap on our April planting guide for Zone 7. Remember, gardening is all about adventure and discovery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more garden tips. Happy planting, and we'll catch you next time in the garden.